Hey beautiful people. So in this video I am going to show you how to change the exhaust sound of a bike. So for this you just need an used tin coke. So this is all you need, and just a piece of around 13 centimeters of binding wire and some plaster. So first of all, let's turn on the engine. So guys, this is the normal exhaust sound of a glamour bike. So this is the normal exhaust sound. So this is a normal exhaust sound. Now we are going to change the exhaust sound of this bike. So using this just a simple tin coke. So guys, observe the sound. So observe the change in the sound of the exhaust. So guys, I'm now going to give a bit of throttle. This is a simple method to change the exhaust sound of a bike in less than 10 to 20 rupees. All you need is just use it in coke. So thanks for watching guys. Do like and subscribe the video. Signing out.